Have you ever looked at yourself and thought, I should be further ahead by now? You know, there are people out there who are making money online. They are working from anywhere or growing their agency. And you wonder, what am I missing? Maybe you're currently trying to scale your company. Maybe you look into agencies, SaaS, or online services. Maybe you haven't made money, but it wasn't consistent, or it required you to be constantly involved, chase clients, or rebuild everything from scratch every month. You just don't want income, you want predictable, recurring revenue. And I get it, because this is exactly where a lot of our partners were before working with us. They were not lazy, they were not beginners. They just didn't want another side hustle, another year without recurring revenue in their business, or another model that only works if you work non-stop. They wanted a real business engine, something that could work from anywhere, run without constant involvement, and bring them consistent monthly revenue. The people building real freedom are not inventing new ideas. They are distributing proven system. They don't build the tech. They don't manage the complexity. They own the relationship, the brand, and the recurring revenue. And the smartest one do it with services that are always in demand, solve painful problems, and deliver measurable outcomes. One of the strongest of those, meetings, pipeline, growth. That's why we build SalesMind White-Label. This isn't a tool you learn, and it is not something you try out. This is a ready-to-sell white-label outbound engine that you can offer under your own brand. We run the infrastructure, we manage the technology, we operate the delivery. You focus on selling, building relationship, and growing predictable monthly recurring revenue. The model is used by entrepreneurs building location and dependent income, agencies, and people who want to sell and earn with software without building the software. Here is a simple way to get you a white label outbound software under your own brand that you can sell however you want. You own domain, logo, name, color, your own software basically, without having a tech team and having to build, update, and improve software yourself. Imagine if your business looked like this. You have your own outbound SaaS, client login into your platform, you decide the price, you decide whenever you sell it, like a pure software, software plus service, a high ticket offer, and you collect recurring revenue every month. If that were possible, would you at least be interested? At this point, you're probably wondering, is it really my software? Do I need to be technical or have experience? And what exactly do you provide beyond the platform? Good question. Let me explain. SalesMind White-Label is a rebranded version of our outbound software delivered as your own product. That means your own domain and URLs, your own branding, name, and design. No visible SalesMind branding anywhere. No shared identity with us. We provide the software infrastructure, the technology, updates, and new features, and the AI and automation engine. What you control is the pricing, the positioning, the packaging, the services if you choose to add them. You don't need a tech team, developers, product manager, or years of building. If you can sell, you can own a software business. Here is how people use SalesMind White-Label in practice. Entrepreneurs sell it as a SaaS with monthly subscription. Agencies bundle it with their services and sell it for 5 or 10 times the price. Consultants position it as an outbound platform for specific niche. Different business models that all have the same result: recurring revenue without building the software yourself. You want to know why I said that so confidently? Because it is not magic. Outbound lead generation is always in demand, directly tied to revenue, and easy for client to understand. You don't have to invent a new idea. Just distribute a solution that will always be there. And because it's a software, you will have recurring revenue, you will have location freedom, and your time is no longer a bottleneck. SalesMind White-Label is like owning a gym franchise. You don't build the weight, you don't make the machines, they're already done. You put your name in front of the door, you decide how much is the membership cost, and people pay every single month to use it. Some gym owners just sell membership, others add personal training, coaching, and other upsell or cross-sell. So here's the thing. Most people try to reach freedom by building custom services, inventing something new, or attempting to build software themselves. All before making a single dollar. SalesMind White-Label removes the technical and operational barrier to starting a scalable, recurring revenue business. You might be wondering if you need experience and if you need help to get succeed, or if you're on your own. You don't need any experience. If you can watch this video, you can get your own white label and sell it. And we absolutely help you succeed. You are the one who has to execute. But we give you marketing tips, tricks, proven pricing idea, service packaging example, sales call frameworks, and objection handling scripts. So what happened next? You're about to jump on a discovery call with us. This is not a hard sales pitch. It's a strategic conversation where we will find out your current situation, understand where you want to go, explore how you position the software, and see whether white label is a fit. If it's a fit, great. If it's not, we will tell you. Worst case scenario, you walk away knowing whether owning a SaaS is right for you. Best case, you walk away with a clear path to scale your agency, start your business, or get recurring revenue monthly. And even if you don't want a massive company, will having $5, $15, or $50,000 monthly recurring revenue change your future? If yes, you're in the right place. This is all we ask. Show up on the call prepared, and let's have an honest conversation. See you soon.